Hi guys, my name is Loise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about pilau, turmeric rice and bean stew. Let's begin! Hi guys, this is the rice that I want to put 1.5 cup. My water is boiling very thoroughly. I've just added soy sauce to enhance my rice and flavor. These are my garlic, onions and cucumber for my rice. Here is this cooking very well. As you can see, I want to put water and sugar, water and salt. Yeah. Hi guys, this is my final product for pilau turmeric rice. Just see how it is. Just see my final product. My final product. The final product for rice, pilau turmeric rice. Can you just see? And by the way, follow me at my YouTube channel, Loise Mwangi. Follow me for more recipes. Thank you for following. Thank you.